Greetings and salutations. Today the bracelet we're going to make I call Cobra Reverse. I haven't seen anybody else do it. It's one I come up with, but if somebody else has already come up with this as we make it, please come through and say so in the comments. If not, I'll just claim it as my design. I haven't seen it. Alrighty. Starting out our core. Strand of paracord, 14 inches long, melted together, made into a loop, stretched across to have a 5-inch preview from here to here, and that's the bracelet part you see. If you know how to do a Cobra, you should be able to do this quite well. Now, up through, down through the hole. Okay, start out, the Cobra, starting on the yellow, goes over everything, orange, over, under, up through the loop, right here. Now do yellow again, over everything, orange, over, under, up through the loop. Now we go with our orange. Orange goes over, yellow, over the orange, up under, and up to the loop. Orange again, orange over, yellow over the orange, up to the loop. Boom. Now you see the weave. Yellow, over everything, orange, over, down, up, under, up to the loop, yellow again, over, orange, over, up to the loop. Very, very simple weave. Orange again, over, yellow over the orange, up to the loop, orange, yellow, orange,